If you're looking for iHome alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 iHome alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by iHome. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by iHome. Number 3. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by iHome. Find these iHome alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more iHome alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.